Okay guys, I am attempting to fix the AC compressor on my 99 S10. This is the 2.2 4-cylinder engine, and basically to remove the compressor, it's simple, but everything is kind of stuck in there. As you can see, the compressor is nothing wrong with it, no noise in the bearing or anything. It's just basically, as you can see, the seal here in the back, it's all like it doesn't seal very well, so everybody will tell you to replace that just because of that seal is bad, and all the freon is leaking from that seal. But what I'll attempt to disassemble this and fix the seal itself and put it back together and see if that actually will work. So hopefully I'll have enough footage to take you with me guys with this journey, and we'll see. To the inside, it's cooler here, and basically next step is you need a puller like this that will screw in here, and basically you'll tighten that bolt. It should pull it out. You're looking for this part. It comes in with the whole kit. It's 27150. It is expensive, but I'm renting it. I'm not, I'll turn it back and get my money on it. So no worries in there. I'll give this a try and see if that will work.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring.
Whew. Okay, there's a washer or spacer. There should be a C-clamp that fits in here, but somehow this one was just chilling in here. So we'll see how we get that back. Alright. Now we need a different style of puller to pull the bearing. I opt in with the 3-jaw puller. It's kind of hard to control, but I don't find any other option. Alright, this one went out eventlessly. As you can see, the bearing itself, very smooth, nothing wrong with it. So, you don't need to replace the compressor because of that. Now, this is the magnet in here, and basically you would have to take that out because of one stupid bolt in here. All what we need to do is take these bolts out to get this casing out from here, because the seal is on this area. I'll try the puller again. If that did not work out, usually 2 screwdrivers should do it. I'll give this a try, and we'll get back. Alright, so it took me a while. I was able finally to use the puller to get the magnet out. And basically just have to pay attention where that goes, because it goes a certain way. There's like a special tool for it. So, anyway. Next step, try to get those out. I think this is, let's see, these are 13. I took it outside, because of the noise. And basically I used the impact to get them off. Was the easier way to me to do it. And basically the only thing left in here is this seal. We need to get this bottom piece off. And I would have to hammer it out. So we'll see how that will go. Alright, so I got it off. That's what you're looking for. Oh my god, this is so oily. And this is the seal that causes all the issue. So I'll take the seal out. I'll go to the auto parts store and see if I can find a seal, replacement seal. I'll go for the hunt for a seal, and we'll be back. Alright, I put it back here together. What a messy job. Like oil and everything, it's just annoying, Anyway, so if you look over here, let's get this aside for now. The orientation for the stuff that we did is basically this is the clutch plate, the bearing, the magnet. So they sit like this, and don't forget about the O-ring. Should sit in here somehow. That's in a washer or spacer in here. So go ahead and get these back together, and yeah, man. There we go. That's pretty much it. It's if you're not familiar with those, it's gonna be a shitty job. It's an experiment. I just wanted to have fun with it. I have nothing to do today, so here it is. Again, thank you for watching, and have a great day.